Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7. Video part 1. Okay. Question number 1. Three rectangles, each of same dimensions, are joined as shown in the figure given below. Find the perimeter of the rectangle if the dimension of each rectangles are 12:9. It means its length is given 12 and its width is given 9. ठीक है, 12:9. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter means this L plus this L plus this L. This is your B, this is your L, L, L and B. So 6L plus 2B. The perimeter of this shape will be 6L plus 2B. L is given 12, so 6 multiplied by 12 plus 2 into B is 9. 72 plus 18 is 90 centimeter. It is in the option number B. The first answer will be option B. Come to question number 2. Three regular hexagons, each of same dimensions, are joined as shown in the figure shown below. Okay. Find the perimeter of the figure shown form. Since the hexagon is regular, it means the side of the hexagons will be equal. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 sides, outer side. So, perimeter of the hexagon will be equal to 12 multiplied by side of the hexagon. That is your 84 centimeter. It is in the option number C. The second answer will be C. Come to question number 3. The length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length this and this is. To frame a photograph. So to frame the photograph, we have to just find the perimeter of the photograph. And it is the shape of this photograph is rectangular. That's why perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, 34 plus 15. So that is your 2 into 49 equal to 98 centimeter. Third answer will be option B. Come to question number 4. A table cover measures 2 meter 45 centimeter by 1 meter 25 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the table cover. ठीक है, तो perimeter of the table cover, तो it's better कि first convert the length L 2 meter 45 centimeter into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. That is your 245 centimeter. B will be equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter. So that is your 125 centimeter. Perimeter will be equal to 2 into L plus B. 245 plus 125. That is your 2 into 370. So 740 centimeter. It means 7 meter 40 centimeter. It is in the option number B. The fourth answer will be option B. Come to question number 5. Find the perimeter of regular octagon whose side is 12 centimeter. Octagon means having 8 sides. The perimeter of regular octagon will be 8 multiplied by 12. It is your 96 centimeter. It is in the option number A. So fifth answer will be option A. Come to question number 6. Two sides of a triangle are 22 centimeter and 13 centimeter. If the perimeter of the triangle is 50 centimeter, then find the length of the third side. So we know that the perimeter of the perimeter of the triangle is sum of the three sides of the triangle. So third side will be equal to the perimeter of the triangle minus the sum of the other two sides, that is your 22 plus 13. So 50 minus 35 equal to 15 centimeter. It is in the option number C. So sixth answer will be option C. Come to question number 7. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular field this meter long, this meter wide at the price of this per meter. So cost for fencing will be equal to perimeter of the rectangle multiply by cost per meter. So perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into 28 plus 18. This is the perimeter multiply by 35.75. So it is your 2 into 46 into 35.75. After simplification, you will get 3289 rupees. It is in the option number B. So seventh answer will be option B. Come to question number 8. Yashika runs around a square park of 85 centimeter. Kanika runs around a rectangular park of length 55 centimeter, breadth 38 centimeter. If both complete 2 rounds of the park, then who covers less distance and by how much? ठीक है, तो Yashika's distance will be equal to perimeter of the square, that is your 4 into 85, but both have taken 2 rounds, so it should be multiplied with 2, so it will be your 680 meter. ठीक है, now Kanika's distance will be equal to the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2 into L is 55 plus breadth is 38, and since she has taken 2 rounds, that's why multiply by 2. So after simplification, you will get 372 meter. Okay? So who has traveled more distance? Who has covered more distance? So you can see Yasika has covered more distance. And by how much? So 680 minus 372, that is your 308 meter. So we can say Yasika is more with 308 meter. It is in the option number B. Eighth answer is option B. Come to question number 9. What happens to the perimeter of a regular pentagon of its length if its length is doubled? The perimeter of the regular pentagon is 5 multiplied by its side. Now, perimeter of the regular, if the length is doubled. Now, if the side's length is doubled, so P dash is the new perimeter. So 5 multiplied by 2A. So we can write 2 into 5 multiplied by A. So it means 2P. It is P dash will be equal to 2P. It means it is doubled the perimeter. So option A. Ninth answer is option A. Come to question number 10. The side of a square is 19 centimeter. Okay. How many times will new perimeter become if the side of the square is tripled? So perimeter will be equal to 4 multiplied by 19. Now new perimeter will be equal to, since the side square of the square is tripled. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 multiplied by 3 into 19. After exchanging the position of the number, 4 multiplied by 19 will come here. We can say it is triple times. So P dash equal to 3P. So 3 times. It is in the option number B. So 10th answer is Option B. Come to question number 11. Following figures are joined by 8 unit square. Choose the figure which has the smallest perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the outer side. ठीक है, perimeter is the length of the outer side. तो what is this length? तो इसको काउंट कर लेते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. It is your 18 units. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. It is your 16 unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 unit. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 unit. So least number is the 14. That's why figure C has the smallest perimeter. 11th answer will be option C. Come to question number 12. In a rectangle, the length is halved and breadth is doubled. If its new dimension is 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter, find the old perimeter. ठीक है, तो लेंथ आपका पहले दिया हुआ है, सॉरी अभी का लेंथ दिया हुआ है आपका, न्यू लेंथ इज 24 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, तो ओल्ड लेंथ सपोज दैट इज एल डैश इक्वल टू लेंथ इज हाफ्ड तो 24. इट मीन्स ओल्ड लेंथ विल बी डबल ऑफ इट, दैट इज 48 सेंटीमीटर. ब्रेड्थ इज न्यू ब्रेड्थ इज 18. तो ओल्ड ब्रेड्थ विल बी, since breadth is doubled then it is coming 18. It means old breadth is 9 only. Okay. Now perimeter of the old perimeter, old rectangle. So suppose that is P dash. So P dash will be 2 into L dash plus B dash. So 48 plus 9, that is your 2 into 57 equal to 114 centimeter. It is in the option number B. So 12 answer is option B. Come to question number 13. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 36 centimeter. If one of its equal side is 10 centimeter, then find the unequal side of the triangle. Isosceles triangle, we can just write the side of the two length of the two sides are equal. It is 10, it is 10. This one we don't know, but perimeter is given. So third side will be equal to perimeter minus sum of the other two sides. So that is your 10 plus 10, 20, 36 minus 20. It is your 16 centimeter. Here it is in the option number C. The 13th answer will be option C. Okay, come to question number 14. An equilateral triangle is formed on the side of the square whose one side is 8 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the shape so formed. So how is the shape formed? पहले हम एक square बना लेते हैं and one triangle is on it. तो side of the square is given 8 centimeter and this is the equilateral triangle. इसका मतलब ये भी 8 centimeter होगा, ये भी 8 centimeter होगा. This one is 8, so this one is 8. So perimeter will be equal to 8 plus 8, 16, 16, 8, 24 plus 8, 32, 50, sorry 40, it finds a 40 centimeter. It is in the option number B. The 14th answer is option B. Okay. Now all the most of the questions in this chapter are easy only. You must watch the part 2 and part 3 of this video. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.